Today we are traveling to a remote area in southern Alberta, Canada. The story of the Frank Slide is known all over the world, but hardly anyone knows about the lime kilns that are hidden in the hills at the far side of the slide. The Turtle Mountain slide material, the rock, is mostly limestone. At one time it was the ocean bed of a giant inland sea that split North America from north to south. In around 1910 to 1915, there was a building boom and a big demand for lime developed. The lime was used for making concrete as well as plastering walls. To make lime, you build a column inside of the kiln, say 10 feet of coal or wood, 10 feet of broken limestone on top of that, another layer of coal, and a layer on layer until the furnace, called a lime kiln, is full. You light the bottom layer of wooden coal, and about 3 days later you have lime. The temperature in the kiln has to be at least 800 degrees Celsius to drive off the carbon dioxide. And this is usually achieved by controlling the intake of the air at the bottom of the kiln. This lime, called quicklime, is dangerous as it will suck the water out of anything, including people. And the reaction generates a lot of heat. The burns can be very serious. Slake lime, used in farming, is soaked in water first so that it isn't as dangerous. In 1909, a local man named Frank Little purchased a section of land on the southern, the Alberta side of the slide that actually included part of the slide. He sold it to the Winnipeg Fuel and Supply Company in 1912, who built 2 kilns and a railway line and operated the business known as the Frank Lime Company. The first 2 kilns were of a type known as draw kilns. These were a modern design that allowed for continuous operation, removing lime from the bottom while adding more from the top. There were several buildings at this site, including a large wooden structure around the 2 original kilns. The kilns stuck out of the top like chimneys. The small stream and pond nearby provided water for a steam hoist used to load the kilns. A little town grew up called Lime City, and a 3rd kiln was added shortly after. The operation was closed down permanently in 1922 as the housing boom in Western Canada had ended. The whole slide is now a protected area, and it is illegal to remove anything from there.